fully maintained, as you can see see here. A lot of road kings, I would say, more than other models. Most of them are road kings here. Talking about the SD road kings. I'll show you those also. Those are the exclusive models, I think so. The old ones, which are more rare. Seen a military one also. Still people are coming. A lot of people are coming here. These are the normal. These are the our bikes. We will come for convention. Yeah, this is all the bikes which is there. One of the oldest bikes which I can see here. This one. As you can see, it's pretty old. And the gear shifter, it's up instead of down. It's up there. The gear shifter in this one. You have to shift from your hand for this bike. It's a cool one. There's a Java CZ250 Twin. There. This is a Java Twin Sport 350. It's nearly like the same engine size of a Yamaha this thing RX 350. It's nearly the same size of that, the engine size. Again a 350 Twin, no, SD 350, not Java 350. The line of Java here, all old Javas over here. I'm not sure which is the model of these Javas, but these all are the same models. They can visually see these looks like the same models. Some up here, more models here. This Java is with an external seat. Like 3 people can fit in this thing easily. I have no clue if the scooter is also Java. Scooter looks like a boat more than a scooter, but yeah, this is the scooter. Yeah, as you can see, there are a lot of bikes here. Most of them are pretty old and like fabulously maintained. See this one also. This one is with an like a luggage carrier with a wheel. I'm not sure if it's a luggage carrier. Yeah, it probably is the luggage carrier itself. This bike is fabulously maintained again.
Good morning, good morning. Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
In this thing event itself, there are all the Java SD and Java SD and BSA bikes are available. This is the one of the BSA bike which is available. It's the BSA Gold Star 650. It comes in a full not full retro style look, but I would say the whole concept is about retro style. There are a lot of new. It has ABS. It has all the new traction. It doesn't have traction control. Sorry, the ABS. It comes with the Brembo brakes. As you can see here, they come with the Brembo brakes. Both front and rear have the Brembo brakes. Comes with a 650cc engine. Comes with a single exhaust pipe. This thing is nearly as, I would say, the aim was to get an retro mid-range bike. For example, this thing is more like an Interceptor, but I would say some of the this thing like the plus points of this better than the Interceptor is how it is managed. It is bigger than the Interceptor. If you see, normally the tank size is way bigger than the Interceptor. As of this thing has less of chrome parts. This thing gets an full analog tachometer and an odometer. There is a small one more meter here for your checking your neutral, your engine lights, your fuel light and all. normally I like just for the just look at this bike, it looks like it was meant to be ridden in slow pace, not fast pace, because it has a slow base 650 engine. Like for example, if you the new classic 650, the engine is based morely like that. It's meant to cruise in 120 140. Look wise it looks fabulous. Braking wise, the brakes are fabulous. Again, it comes with the Brembo brakes, both front and rear come with the Brembo brakes, as you can see here. This is called BSA Goldstar 650. There are more models of BSA which is coming up in this thing more. I'll show you in front. This thing again is a Java 42, which same model as mine, but this BSA 6 model, BS6 model. Mine is BS4 model, which came in 2019. The first generation of Java is BS4 model after relaunch I'm talking about. So BS4 model. This one is a BS6 model. The visually changing parts of this bike is of course the whole instrument cluster. The instrument cluster is a digital instrument cluster. Comes with a neutral, of course, indicator lights, basically all of them, but mine is the analog. This thing is basically digital. That's the difference. Second part is the silencer guard for here to here. Slowly changed. The silencer guard used to get in 2019 was a chrome silencer guard itself. It was more thinner than this. This thing is pretty. This one is thicker than the older version of the Java 42.
1012, please report to the main gate.
And these things also come.
Also KA01.
These things don't come with Brembo.
9042.
These one come with
KA01. MX9042.
Byberry. I'm pronouncing wrongly. Forgive me, but it comes with a Byberry. Mine also will come with the same brakes.
9903. Do report to the main
There
gate.
is one problem which I faced with the old Java 42 was the clutch. I'm still facing. The clutch is hard, pretty hard. Let's see if this thing also.
Ladies and gentlemen,
As you can see,
I hope you're enjoying the
it is
event.
nearly the same strength.
We have a
The
specific
clutch is again
the
pretty
space
hard.
zone for all the two slopes that we have.
It's pretty hard. The
Feel free to walk around.
clutch of a 42 is very hard. It's one of the problems which you face because
We can get
when you're in
it for
traffic,
you.
right, it's hard to
There's a
maintain the
vintage
clutch
photo booth
while you are
wherein you can get
while
your
actually
photos.
riding in not in highways. If you're riding in highways,
Please
it's
look
better
into the
because
store on to my right.
you are not very slow.
To my left, we
You're not
also
riding
have
slowly,
this playback,
but in
this playback
traffic
for
you're
photos.
constantly stopping.
Please ensure
You're constantly stopping because of
Take
that the
certain
clutch,
pictures.
the fatigue you feel in your hand.
and we can have that printed for you.
That was one of the problems which is still not been fixed. But overall, they brought an better silencer cover for guarding your leg, digital instrument cluster, and a better this thing. And one of the most problems which I faced was the self start. Self start sometimes used to take some time. That is actually fixed in this bike. There's still some problems with the self start, but it's better than the self start which was provided in the 2019 edition of Java 42. The second point which they have, which have improved in the Java 42. Then comes the Java 42. This thing is the, I think so, FJ 42 probably. I'm not sure. This thing is mostly the FJ. Yeah, I think so. It's probably FJ because the whole concept is a little different. As you can see it again, I think so comes with this thing is I think so 350cc or 300cc. I think so it's a 300. But the FJ, one plus point of the FJ is that the FJ comes with a better spec. Basically, torque is higher. The new then the whole overall this bike is much more better in highways than the Java 42 normal. If you go for just like the speed wise, the acceleration wise, it is more strong. The acceleration is more punchier and more like you can physically feel the acceleration in this bike, in the FJ model, than the normal 42 edition.